Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Remember that beautiful fall foliage about a week ago? All gone. Today I'm going to be microwaving this solar lamp. I know if the day's real short this time of year, the last thing you're thinking about is fun in the sun, but I decided why not bring a little bit of summer to late fall. Well, that was a hot one. Nice way to bring summer to a cool fall day. Now let's see what's left of this thing. Not a lot. Now, how safe is it to microwave a solar light? Not at all. I would go as far to say this is deadly because of the amount of fire and the fact that although it's one of the less lethal smells I've had to endure, it's still pretty bad.